Yo, this probably has to be the worst angle ever, but so the other day I did the what did I do? Oh, I changed out the oil filter. I mean, not oil filter, the air filter. And then I just got this in today. It's coolant. I'm gonna be doing a coolant flush today, and I'm gonna be doing like a kind of different camera angle. I've been using the GoPro, and we'll just like kind of run through the whole process of doing the coolant flush. It's my first time, so if you guys see me doing something wrong, just let me know. I'm not a mechanic or whatever, but I looked on the instructions. It seemed easy, so I'm gonna go ahead and just try it on myself. So this is the Maxima 50/50 blend, and you know Honda has its own like 50/50 coolant, but today I'm gonna be using this one because this was what was available at the time on Amazon, so should be fine. Coolant is coolant, right? I think right here, guys. I think this is the angle. So what we're gonna have to do today is take out all the fairings. We're gonna have to do the left side, bottom one. So I'll go ahead and do that. This one, I lost the bolt, so I just used like some like hardware, but I probably shouldn't have done that. I probably should have just used like a normal bolt, but it's fine. I'll just take this out with my hands, and then the rest is like screws. Yeah, because I think we're gonna have to take everything on the side too, so we'll go ahead and do that. And then I do need a 10 mil, so this is like all my dad's tools. It's messy as hell, but I mean, can't blame him. Man has his tools. All his sockets up right here. This is a 17. This is like this Forsaken 17, but we need a 10 mil. So let's see. 10 is really small now. Yeah, like 95% of the time I'm just looking for tools. Oh, perfect, 10 mil. I don't know if this will fit. Perfect. Well, we'll just go ahead and take out all the fairings. So we'll take this off. Yeah, this fairing is all messed up now, so I feel like I broke so many tabs. So sad. I broke both the left and right, so I'm probably just gonna get new fairings. Like, this is embarrassing. You know what? I'll go ahead and put this up. Shout out to Luke for giving me this pit bull swing arm. Comes in clutch. There we go. So we'll do that. Make it easier on myself. Got this top one out. We need to get this one out. We just gotta get like all of this out. This one's bottom. We also got one. You can see. Oh, right here. Some of them are missing screws, man. Like the bike probably looks good on camera, but it's kind of janky. I think I do have to remove the side fairings. These are, yeah. I'll just disconnect my, whoops. There we go. Throw this to the side. Boom. It's a little cramped over here. Let's do the bottom first. So, gotta take the fairings off, and then we gotta do our cycle, but might as well just take everything off while it's cold, not hot. Once I get this last screw out, this bottom piece should come out pretty easily. Yeah, I kind of messed up my fairings though. I literally broke like these tabs up here. It is what it is. Oh, we got this one too that we gotta take out. Come on, there you go. And this should pop right out. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, I don't really care about my fairings no more, so just leave that there. This should pop out. I don't want to break any more tabs. I think, yeah. There we go. Take that out. Very good. Okay. So it does look like my coolant is a little low. It should be up a little bit right here. But it's probably a good time to do a coolant flush. I gotta do a heat cycle, but what we're gonna do after we do the heat cycle and after we let it cool is we're gonna drain this, which is a 10 mil right here. We're gonna just drain it out. I mean, you could also use a plier, but I think just tipping it over and draining it is a little better. And then we're also gonna drain the other side too. Fill this with coolant and then do another cycle and then repeat. So I gotta grab my keys. I forgot my keys. All right, so we're gonna just do a heat cycle. I'm gonna let it run for about like 5-10 minutes and then let it cool for like 5-10. So let it cool for a little bit. So right now I'm just gonna drain the reservoir. Let's see. So there's a 10 mil bolt right here. It's the other way. Yeah, it's like quarter turn tight anyways. So we're just gonna dump out the reservoir tank and then we're gonna go to the other side and drain that too. I see people usually they just unclip it, but I think I just dump this out. Oh shit, where's I put the rag though? Oh yeah, it definitely needs a flush. There's like a lot of like stuff in it. I see at the bottom. Let me wash it out. So got some distilled water right here. Oh, here's the rag. Okay, so this is just like Target distilled water, and the reason why you use distilled water is that they basically clean it, I guess. They clean it. Clean out all the junk. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh, nope. Alright, that was really messy. It's just water though. So, I didn't mean to do that, but I'm just gonna kind of like shake it, rinse it out. Yeah, there's a lot of gunk in there. So we're gonna do that one more time and then I'm gonna go to the other side. Oh my god. I'm so bad at this. So I don't know if you guys could, I hope this is like a pretty good angle. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a good angle, but I'm just gonna rinse that out real quick. I got most of that like little gunk stuff out, but, and the other side should be a 10 mil too, I believe. Where is it at? It's by the shifter. Ah, yes. Oh man, it's like in the most weirdest spot ever. I'm gonna have to move that. Okay, so that's not too tight either. So I know. Sorry if this is not a good angle, guys. It is literally the third bolt right here. Let's see, like that. I'm just gonna try to use my hand because I kind of want to catch it. Whoa, what? Am I tripping? Nothing's coming out. Unless the bike is leaned. All right, hold on. I need to grab a smaller bucket. Or maybe I gotta. Oh shit! You gotta squeeze it. Oh, you know what? I'm stupid. I gotta take the radiator cap off. I'm so dumb. Oh no. I'm making a mess out here. I need the other bucket. I'm making such a mess. Oh my god. This shit is toxic though. Alright guys. My bad y'all. I made such a huge mess. Oh my lord. I'm gonna have to toss this rag though. Yeah, I made like the worst mess I could have ever made. Oh my god. I will dump this first, so I'll close this up. Where is it? Maybe I can have it up on the stand. I was just being stupid. Live and learn, y'all. Live and learn. Hand tight first. I'm gonna lift this back up because my dumbass needs more space to work. I just need to make sure it's tight. Okay, so that's only the first cycle. I got like 3 more to go, so gotta fill up the radiator. My god. I'm just making a mess today, guys. So basically you just do this part, you fill it up with distilled water, and then you do the cycle again, and you're basically just flushing it out, and you just repeat. And then so basically after I do the heat cycle, I'm just gonna drain it again. And then I'm just gonna fill it all the way up until I could see it from like the neck. So if I can see it right here, so it's still got a lot to go. Damn, this takes a lot of water. Oh. Should have done this outside, but it's all good. So alright, now we're just gonna let it cycle. And yeah, be right back. Okay, so earlier I was trying to show you guys the bolt. So we're over here on the shifter, right? Shifter pedal. And oh, I got so much coolant under here. But basically we're under by the shifter pedal, yeah. And so if you look under, this is where the drain plug is, right? So that's the coolant drain plug. So this one right here. And you can tell because this is where the tube or the metal tube passes through it. So I did the first cycle. We're just gonna have to drain it one more time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and loosen this up. Make sure it's seat flush. Son of a bitch. That's just hot. So see how it's like still light green? We're gonna wanna keep redoing this process. Okay. This shit is not easy to do clean. Or maybe I'm just really bad. This shit is so funny. It's like I'm making such a fat mess. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. Oh, perfect. 3 cycles. So I'm gonna kind of leave that there and push this maybe closer. So, boom. Looks like it's coming out clear. I mean, it's a little light, but should I do it one more time? I think that should be good, to be honest. It's coming out pretty clear though, so I don't think I need to flush it one more time. Oh, I touched the headers. I didn't mean to touch the headers. I was trying to touch the tubes. Squeeze it out a little bit. Let it drain some more. But yeah, so I did like about 3 cycles. So basically, the first was draining it, right? And then filling it with distilled water, heat cycling it, and then draining it again. So I've had to do it 3 times already. And I think it should be good. I don't think I'm gonna do it one more time. Try to keep squeezing this out maybe. Okay, so we're gonna put the coolant drain plug back in. I think, yeah, I think that's it. So usually 3 to 4 cycles should be good. That should be good. And we also gotta drain this back out. I'll leave it right there actually. Okay. So now we fill with water. I mean, not water. Coolant. Coolant. So I closed up the drain. Bottom should be good too, so I'm good to go. Oh yeah, look how bright that is compared to how it was like dark green earlier. I'm hoping this jug is enough though. Oh, and good thing I had that tray right there. I gotta clean the coolant up. Oh yeah, man, the coolant is like bright green, and what I had earlier was like dark as heck. So I think we should be good. Look, we even have some coming down to the bottom here. And then so for this part, we're gonna have to turn on the bike, blip some air, blip it so the air bubbles goes out, and then we're gonna have to fill it more. So it's going down, right? I'm making a mess. I think that should be good. Yep, that should be good. That was not good. So maybe don't do it like me and spill everywhere. Restart it. So I'm gonna let it go through the heat cycle again, and then I'm gonna see how much goes through the reserve, and then I'm just gonna fill it up from there. Some of it's coming out right here, actually. It's rising up slowly, but I can add a little more. And that should be good. With a little coolant left to spare. I grabbed the wrong one. This we don't need to tighten too hard because it's plastic. I don't want to break it. I think that's good. Hell yeah. I need to put this back on though. Alright, and we're all good. Filled it up to reserve. Clean this up. I'm probably going to toss this though because it's all bad. I need to clean up too though. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then aside from putting everything back, should be all good. Now I just gotta clean everything up. My first time changing the coolant, it took me like 2.5 hours, but I was waiting like 30 minutes in between like letting the bike cool down, and I did like 3 cycles of distilled water. But we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna do a quick test ride, but everything should be good. Everything should be good. I'm gonna try to get it like super warm. So right now, I mean, it feels good. 160 right now. I think before it was like 180 when I started riding, and then it would hit like 2 something. So I mean, it's already a good sign. Bike's running fine. But yeah, I mean, my first time doing it took me a little bit longer than usual, but I mean, we got it done. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that like long format like GoPro stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because this is already a pretty long video. But yeah, man, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.